Hey, Joe from Boulet's Garage. So maybe you just replaced your brake pads, or you had someone else do them for you, and you have a weird noise, or the brakes don't seem to be wearing right. Hold on, I want to show you a quick video. Okay, this vehicle recently had brake work done. It's a Subaru, and if you can see, I just pulled this caliper off. Can anyone see the problem here? This brake pad's installed the wrong way. That's part of the problem. And the caliper pins are binding up a little bit on the bottom end. But anyway, just if you're going to do your own brakes, or have someone else do them, first thing, if you're going to do your own brakes, pay attention to the way you're taking the vehicle apart, and also use all the proper safety equipment. If you don't know what you're doing with brakes, don't try and save yourself the money. Have a qualified person do it. And also, when you have it done somewhere else, supposedly professionally, if you hear anything weird or strange noises going on, you immediately should bring it to the place that replaced your brakes' attention. They will appreciate that. Anyway, until next time, like and subscribe. Hope this video has maybe opened your eyes a little bit. Have a great day.